Sora's visuals are turning heads, but there's a new AI video generator that hits the same cinematic realism, adds built-in sound, and gives you far more creative control. In this video, I'll show you how to create consistent, monetizable content with it, then reveal a second free Sora alternative and exactly where to publish your work safely. Stay with me, because the workflow gets stronger at every step. You're about to see why this is a serious Sora alternative for text to video. Consistent characters across different outfits and locations. Check. Smooth motion with natural facial expressions. Check. Clean audio baked in so you don't have to hunt for sound design. Also check. And yes, there's a legit path to monetize what you create. No hype, just a process. Keep watching to the end for the publishing sites and the bonus tool. Here's how it works. Open the platform from the link in the description and start an image. Type a clear prompt and generate. It returns sharp, realistic results fast. Want variations? Tweak a detail, hair color, lighting, background, and regenerate. You can download instantly, switch models to change style and fidelity, and choose the output resolution. The free tier is generous, and there's even an unlimited mode available at the time of recording, though terms can change. So check the current plan before you scale. Editing is where it gets powerful. Use inpainting. Upload an image, brush only the area you want to change, select an edit-focused model, and describe the update, like adjusting hair, outfit, or background. The platform keeps skin texture, lighting, and perspective intact, so the result looks photoreal instead of patched together. Small targeted edits like this are what make your characters feel persistent across multiple shots. Now switch to video. Select a cinematic model, set the duration, go shorter for snappier clips or up to around 10 seconds for more motion, and generate. You'll notice natural expression changes, believable camera movement, and ambient sound that enhances realism. If you prefer to keep audio separate, you can mute on export and add your own track later. For consistency, reuse your reference image or seed so the same character appears across multiple scenes. There are more tools built in. Image to video lets you turn a single photo into a moving shot with controlled motion. Animate and replace features help you update existing footage without rebuilding from scratch. A UGC factory speeds up product-style ads and social formats, so your clips come out ready for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube without manual resizing. Draw to Video takes a rough sketch plus a short prompt and transforms it into an animated sequence, which you can refine with the edit tools for a polished look. There's also an assistant that helps you craft stronger prompts, asks for missing details, and can generate results directly, handy when you're iterating fast. For stills, advanced models give you different aesthetics, one for creative concepting, another tuned for clean edits. A quick example: upload your portrait, prompt a wardrobe change to a black jacket in a studio setting, and generate. You'll get a natural, high-quality swap that matches the original lighting and pose. Stack these steps: image, edit, video, so every clip in your sequence feels like it belongs to the same world. That's what improves watch time and makes your content brandable. Let's talk monetization the right way. First, export with the correct rights. Use watermark-free exports offered by the platform or its paid tiers, and make sure any models, voices, music, or reference images are licensed for commercial use. Don't strip watermarks with third-party tools. It's risky and can violate terms. If you're using real people's likenesses, get written permission. Keep a simple rights log so clients and marketplaces can approve your work quickly. Where to publish and earn. Short-form platforms for ad revenue and traffic. Stock marketplaces that accept AI with clear disclosure. UGC marketplaces for product videos. And freelance platforms for custom clips. Package your projects as themed bundles. Consistent characters, multiple angles, and a few durations. Add searchable metadata, AI video generator, Sora alternative, text to video, UGC ad, cinematic B-roll, post on a schedule, test different hooks, and track what boosts retention. The goal is a repeatable pipeline, not a one-off viral clip. For those who stay to the end, here's the bonus. Inside my Discord, you'll get a free step-by-step course that walks you through this entire workflow, plus access to a second free tool that rivals Sora on realism. The setup is simple, and I've included prompt templates, model settings, and publishing checklists so you can move from testing to monetizing with confidence. The invite link is in the description. If this helped, hit like to push it to more creators, subscribe for the advanced prompt stacks I'm dropping next, and check the pinned comment or description for your free guide on monetizing AI content. Drop a comment telling me what you're building, and I'll point you to the best presets for it. Now open the link, follow the steps, and start creating.